Hey guys, Sayed here. In this video, we'll see how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Ubuntu. Open a browser and search for download Microsoft Teams. Click on the link that says download Microsoft Teams on any device. Since we are using Ubuntu, we will download Linux deb version. Now click on OK. So once the download is complete, open the folder, right click and open with software install. Now click on install and we will be prompted to authenticate. It's preparing the installation. Now it's installing it. The installation is complete. Now let's search for Teams. Click on the link. So you might have noticed that Microsoft Teams still shows as preview. So it's still in a preview, but I have seen that we get a lot of features similar to the Windows app. So I will log in with my trial account. I will skip it for now and click on yes. So let's close this browser and open Microsoft Teams. So the interface looks very similar with the Windows app. We have chats. It's pretty much same as Windows app. So we have call button. Now let's go to activities and see what all we have here. It's exactly same as Windows, like we have all the filtering options. In chat we have files, organization, activity. Teams is pretty much same as Windows. Calendar also looks very similar. Let's see how calling works. I will do an audio call. So the calling is also very much similar to Windows app. Settings, save settings, about check for updates, everything looks very similar. Let me change it to dark mode. So these are the options which we get in Windows operating system. I would say Microsoft has done a very good job in terms of creating this app. Like it's pretty much similar to Windows.